This would save the typical business person a tremendous amount of wasted resources that come with the tag of a professional license. If you knew right up front you would never go into court, you wouldn't be required to carry liability insurance. By the way, the Trinity model becomes a self-insurance plan. Why do I say that? Because if you don't have any assets, chances of you being sued is very, very small. A licensed attorney isn't going to take a case from somebody who you can't collect from. And so if you've got your house in order and you actually don't have assets, you're only stewarding things for God. It can't be taken away from God. And you're just the gatekeeper. You're the trustee at the door. So not having assets is a big plus on the divine law side of the equation. A trustee is given more and more things to steward as he proves his faithfulness as a trustee. That's in the scripture as well. He who is faithful with a little will be given more. That's a divine law parable, divine law principle. It's God's pattern. And so to practice that, you can't keep clinging and holding on to assets. And you can't keep registering them and putting them into the system and trying to build up your balance sheet. That's not what God is asking his children to do. That's building your house on a faulty foundation, and it's not going to be rewarded at the highest level from your Creator. So under divine law, the first thing, or one of the first things I tell people to do is get your house in order, get rid of all of your assets. Well, it's not exactly get rid of. It's repurpose your assets by claiming them to be what they actually are, God's resource.